What is going on, guys? Before we get started, in the description below you will see the links for my socials, live stream on Twitch, Twitter channel, TikTok, and obviously you're on the YouTube channel. If you do like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments down below of any kind of content you would want to see, any other pairs you'd want me to analyze. And yeah, let's get into the analysis. So today I am looking at potential buys here above 165,718, and I feel like with this downtrend we have here, so we've got, you know, the highs that are forming not being broken, highs, highs, and now we've broke out of like this kind of these highs in this downtrend, and we've made a new high here, and we've also respected that previous low right in here, and also now made a new low in there, right? So let me just get rid of all that. So I feel like if we can break above this level right here, 165,718, and get a closure above this level, then we could look at something like this to take that trade on the break of the high once it closes above. These are yesterday's daily highs. And so if we do break and close above that, it's likely there's a good possibility that price is going to continue up and retrace some of this move to the downside now, up into at least 168,327, I would say. And that is a nice 250-ish pip range that we've got there. Not too worried about any of these levels to the left. There are reasons that I do have these levels marked out specifically. Obviously, this is yesterday's daily high that I just mentioned, but so yeah, buys above 165,718, and again, same as yesterday's analysis, sells below 163,046. We can see that price has made a real nice support here and then rallied off of that support at London Open yesterday. So yeah, that is what I'll be looking at on GJ. Sell continuations below this level, 163,046, or retracement buys 165,718 above that level to continue up into some of these levels over here, and give us a little bit of a retracement, and who knows, potentially continue more bullish after that. You can see all the news events. We have got an unemployment rate coming out within the next 20 minutes, so that could be a big deciding factor on where obviously GJ goes from here, and also pound pairs across the board. Looking at Euro USD again, sales above this level would be very nice to continue this move to the upside. We can see we're in a little bit of consolidation right here, but buys above 1.03642, closures above, breaks the previous highs for buys above here, or sells below here 1.02716. We can see that this is now the basis of this move to the upside. We have bounced off this support twice, so I feel like now if price does come down and close below this level, we can get something like this to continue bearish, and again retrace some of this movement to the upside. So yeah, that is buys above 1.03642 on Euro USD, or sells below 1.02716. Looking at USD CHF. Sorry, let me just have a drink. My throat is getting a bit dry. So your USD CHF, again, retracement move here, potential to the upside is very nice. We've got this whole move here that we can potentially create some kind of retracement in around about 400 pip range. And so yeah, that is with closures above 0.94894. So again, same kind of thing. You want price to just pop above this level, and then you want this next candle to break that high right there and continue bullish, or continuation sells below 0.93976 to continue to the downside. We do have PPI. Is that tonight? Yes, tonight. 12:30. Sorry. So that is tonight. That could bring some volatility in, and again be a bit of a deciding factor on where USD goes short term from here. And again, looking at gold, we do have now this resistance created after this move to the upside. If we look out to the left, we can see we've cleared all of this structure to the left, and we are now well and truly in this nice move to the upside, nice uptrend. So I will be looking for buys above 1775.090. So again, we're looking at a pop above this level or closure, and then a break of the high to continue bullish. And then again, if price comes down, if we move this over to the left, we can see that this is the current structure where price is bouncing and supporting price to continue bullish. So if we do break below this level at 1753.315, then again, I'll be looking for sales below this area to continue bearish and retrace obviously some of this move and this gap that we see in the market right here of around about 400 or so pips. We can retrace some of that and fill some of that gap, fill a little bit of that void. So yeah, that is that on gold. Very straightforward, very simple analysis, just looking at key levels for price to either continue in its current trend or make a retracement to then potentially continue on the current trend later on in the week, or just to continue in the opposite direction if we're going to get a breakout of that current trend. So very simple analysis. I'm just waiting for price action, closures above key levels, and yeah. So that is that for today. So this is for today's session only, of course. London, New York session. Tomorrow the analysis will be different, and I will update my bias and see where the market heads tonight. But yeah, that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.